हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको पुअर रिलेशंस बाय चार्ल्स लैम्ब के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है अ पुअर रिलेशन से लेकर के पाउंड ऑफ स्वीट। पैरा फर्स्ट है रेफरेंस एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट। इन दिस ओपिनियन पैराग्राफ ऑफ हिज ऐसे पुअर रिलेशंस, लैम्ब गिव्स हिज impression of a poor relation in a humorous vein. He tells that a poor relative is the most worthless creature on earth. He is an evil feature in the general life of the rich relatives. Heading explanation. Lamb says that a poor relative is a person who is not wanted by anyone. He is considered an unwelcome connection. He is a relative who is never avoided and detested and is troublesome to the conscience of the rich relatives, for they are always reminded of their duty towards the poor relatives. He is unlike the ordinary shadow that contract to their smallest dimension at midday. In other words, a poor relative becomes more pressing in his attention when his rich relatives are at the height of their prosperity. He is a perpetual source of expense. He is a burden more on pride than on purse. The poor relative is a hindrance in the way of success of his rich counterpart. He is a sort of tent upon the honor of the family. Therefore, he is a perpetual source of trouble and humiliation. All that Lamb means to say with the help of this chain of comparisons is that a poor relative is the most unwanted creature in the world. His presence takes away your happiness. He brings bad name to the illustrious family. His beggarly presence spoils the festivity in the house. He is lowly like Agthocles the potter, or defiant like Mordecai, or poor or detested like the biblical leper. Lazarus, his presence embitters the sweetness and pleasure of life. His arrival is a unwelcome as hailstorm at the time of harvest. Agathocles was the son of a potter, but rose to be the ruler of Syracuse. Mordecai was the only servant of the king to refuse to bow to Haman. It is a biblical illusion. The illusion of Lazarus is also taken from the Bible. नेक्स्ट है हिज मेमोरी इज से लेकर के अप टू न्यू सेंसेस। पैरा सेकंड है रेफरेंस एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट है। हेडिंग है लैम्ब सेज दैट पुअर रिलेटिव इज द मोस्ट अनवेलकम गेस्ट बाय हिज मैनर्स, his remarks, his gestures and his action. He is marked in the company. He behaves in a manner that makes us feel most awkward and uncomfortable. He embarrasses us particularly by indulging in recollection of the past when we were not so prosperous. He is a puzzle to the servant. The guests are equally uncertain about his status in the family. Heading explanation. In these lines, Lamb says that the poor relative is in the habit of making references to the rich relative's past life when the latter was not prosperous. Obviously, such references are the most unpleasant things. His memory of the past days proves to be a great nuisance to the rich relative. His compliments are also not welcome because they too smack of the former less well to do past of the family. Thus, his conversation is a perpetual trouble with the result that his stay in the family seems to be too long. In other words, the rich relative is always eager to get rid of the company of his poor relative as early as possible. When he at last leaves the house, the rich relative naturally heaves a sigh of relief. He feels as if he has got rid not of one nuisance but of two. The poor relative causes so much embarrassment that he is considered equal to two nuisances. Thanks, best of luck.